My name is Akin T Skott. I'm from Liberia, West Africa. I'm attending the Kalinga University first sem from the Department of Microbiology. Today training a workshop, the hands-on workshop, actually is very nice. And it is today I got to know too many things when it comes to the biochemistry. The materials that were taught, that were shown to us, the lectures were all enjoyable. And our presenter, the trainer, was very, very audible. He was loud, he was so eloquent. He spoke a lot on too many issues. And we do experiment, and we saw too many test tubes in one of you. Actually, it was very nice, and such things should be well repeated again. I may say a very big thanks to the organizing body for this unique program. Such program like this is very nice, and it is very educative. And I'm encouraging them to see how best they can do more to step on their games. I really enjoy the program, and I wanting the organizing body of this great, unique program to bring on more of this, because these are educative programs that enlighten the minds of which the students. I tell them thank you for organizing such a unique program, and I enjoy this program a lot and wanting to do more in times to come.